today I figured we'd do something a little different. I've been cooped up in this room for the last 3 to 6 weeks, working on various projects, as one does. And I thought it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. And what better way to celebrate getting a new lighting and YouTube setup than put together a ASMR unboxing of a piece of DJ gear. So this is not a normal video, and I just thought this would be something fun to do because I've been going crazy working for the last month and a half. So I've got my handy dandy utility knife. We're going to open up this brand new Pioneer DJM-V10. And before I go any further, I want to give a huge thank you to my friends over at AGIProDJ.com for selling this to me. They didn't give it to me. Kevin over at AGI, thank you, buddy. Kevin and I have an interesting relationship in that, I don't know, every 18 months or 16 months or so, I send him an email completely out of the blue, just saying, hey, you guys getting any of those DJM-V10s? Getting any of these? I'd really like to be put on the list to buy one. And he sends me an email back and he says, yeah, here's the link to pay for it. And then 3 months later, or 2 months later, it depends. Sometimes this Pioneer stuff takes a while to get actually delivered stateside. But here we are. One of my favorite things in the world is unboxing new gear, so I thought I'd take you along for the journey. And since everybody else already got their review units, this is not a review unit. This is not a sponsored thing. This is me buying a piece of equipment and unboxing it with you guys via ASMR. Big thank you to my new friend Dallas, aka Young Pei, for giving me this idea for this video. So before I get unboxing here, look forward to some more content. I've got a new studio set up, as you can see, and this is the first test run. So without further ado, let's rip into it. And once you know it, we got a box within a box. Jesus. Now, one of my favorite things about getting new Pioneer gear is seeing what serial number I get. I was excited about my DJM-900 Nexus 2 that I also purchased from AGI. because it was serial number 69. So it's become somewhat of a tradition to see if I have a good serial number. So let's see what we got. Looks like we got, can you see that there? Lucky number 24. I was hoping for something a little better, but 24 is sub 100. It's good enough for me for now. You know, this they say this particular mixer is for the type of DJ who likes to tell a story with their DJ sets, and it seems as though they've arranged the packaging much like a book, so that makes sense. Included is a IEC locking blue IEC to Edison cable. I think it's cool that they're including the locking IECs, but you can just buy separate locking IEC cables, and that immediately turns any IEC receptacle into a locking IEC. So this the blue part, the Smurf connector is not 100% necessary. In fact, I upgraded all of my DJ fly kits, or my DJ like Pelican cases. I ship everything with locking IEC cables now. But it's good to see that they're taking the initiative. Should have been PowerCon, true one. But I won't dock any points right now. And yes, I know that I have hairy arms. You don't have to remind me down in the comments section. Okay, here we go. Wow. You guys, it's beautiful. Wow. It's so smooth. There's no click. There's no like hard stop. It's like rubbing into a bumper. You can't slam these faders. It's a very like smooth actuating feeling. Here, let me show you. So this thing is, oh, I gotta go back to my ASMR voice. This thing is very hefty. I was actually doing a little bit of research on which Pelican cases this can fit in, and it is actually just too wide and too deep by like half an inch for the standard size Pelican cases before you have to step up to like Pelican cases that are 2 feet thick. So anyone out in the comments section, if you know of a case that will fit these dimensions, I've already checked all of the major case manufacturers, SKB, Gator, Pelican. I even checked There's a new company up in Canada that I wasn't familiar with before, but I was diving pretty deep and couldn't find one. So if you know of a case that will fit this without being monstrous, please let me know. See, guys, we're learning all sorts of stuff. The different tact switches have different sounds, I swear to you. So this is the effect on off. This is the headphone link button. Very different. So this is the crossfader assign. There's one of these below every single up fader. This assigns which side of the crossfader, either A or B, that the channel is assigned to. You can also assign it to through, which means that crossfader won't have any effect. So that's what it sounds like when you have just the adapter. I don't think that's very realistic though. So this is how it would actually sound in the club when you can't see anything and you're trying to plug in. Got it. These are the two USB A and B ports. This is so that you can use this mixer as an audio card with your favorite DJ software. Channel input source selector switches. These are radial switches. This one's always a tricky one for DJs who are maybe used to playing on their own gear at home, and then they show up to the club, and maybe the DJ before you was playing on Serato, and you want to play with the line inputs from a CDJ, and you don't notice that they had it on computer A, and you neglect to switch over to line B, and then you try to fade up your channel, and nothing's coming out, and you're sitting there like, don't let that one catch you. And then back to the effect. See how different the effect sounds? The effect on off? Not sure if that's due to the size of the tact switch. All right, and without further ado, I think it's time to do the honors and actually power it on. This is a first for me. This unit shipped with the latest firmware already installed. That never happens. Okay, come on. This is a gorgeous piece of gear. I'm glad I decided to take the time away today and make this little video. So as I mentioned at the outset of this video, part of the reason I am even uploading this video is to test out the new YouTube studio. It's not done yet. It's about 80% there. I'm going to get an actual table. This is just like some IKEA stuff that I had sitting in the corner, and I don't have my full-size table yet. But I thought this would be a fun opportunity to test out the new YouTube studio and Previs studio. So that's what this is all about. I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to making more serious videos in this setup in the weeks and months to come. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.